All right, team, we're just gonna cut our cinnamon rolls up in little bits right here for this awesome pumpkin cinnamon roll casserole. And we're gonna throw it in the loaf pan. Time to start making that custard, that pumpkin custard. And we're just using a little pumpkin pie mush. Don't forget to take that out. Don't cook this. Going with a couple eggs. Got some heavy whipping cream. And then we got some dessert shake here from UncleSteveShake.com. If you don't have this, 1 part cinnamon, 1 part sugar, little pinch of salt, you should be good to go. Going with about a tablespoon of this stuff. And just give this all a good mix. All right, nice and incorporated. We're ready to roll. Let's get these little pieces of cinnamon roll in there. This is gonna make a nice little casserole loaf type thing. And we'll use that icing that comes with the cinnamon rolls and spread it over the top. And if this wasn't sweet enough, let's add a little white chocolate chips in there. Let's give it a little extra flavor. We're just gonna get this nice and mixed up. Make sure everything's nice and coated. Got our little loaf pan here. We're just gonna fill it on up. And guys, you can use whatever pan or dish you want to use. I just decided to make this into a kind of a loaf, little cinnamon roll, pumpkin loaf. Just spread it out. I did grease this pan, so hopefully we don't have any stickage problems. That has plagued me in the past. I'm gonna clean up the sides here. All right, team, this is ready to go in the oven. 350, about 30 minutes. All right, you wanna make sure all that egg custard is cooked through. You wanna make sure those cinnamon rolls are cooked through. Then we're gonna let it cool so we can plop it out, get a little more of that icing over the top. Guys, this is gonna be money. I'll check you in a second. All right, we're out of the oven. We let it cool for about 20 minutes or so. Got me a little tray right here. All right, we're just gonna flip it. Oh, ta-da. Had a little stickage, but not bad. That's looking pretty tasty. All right, let's cut ourselves a little slice. All right, there we go. It's looking moist. Got a little plate right here. All right, we got some of the icing that came in with the cinnamon rolls. All right, guys. It took a little bit longer than what I thought it would. So I'll put the actual time down below when I put the ingredients together. It was closer to an hour just to get that custard set on the inside. But guys, I am a muffin top kind of guy, so I always eat the top of these type of things. So that is our first bite right here. Get some of that icing. Cheers, y'all. Oh yeah. Y'all need to make this because you know it's good, baby.